I'm sure a lot of you have seen the trending videos of talking avatars. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own avatars and make your avatars talk so that you can level up your content creation game, so that you can create amazing YouTube videos, TikTok videos, and Facebook videos. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow this account, love this video, and share to your friends. The first thing you need to do is go to your Microsoft Bing app. In your Bing app, go to Copilot, then enable the Use ChatGPT 4 button. At the bottom left hand corner, click on the message icon. Once you click on the message icon, you'll be allowed to type in your prompts for your image or your avatar. I'm just going to quickly type in my prompt for my image or my avatar. Here, all you need to do is to be detailed about what you want your avatar to look like, the avatars assemble, the eyes, whatever it is you want your avatar to have, you have to type it right here. And remember, this Microsoft Bing Copilot uses ChatGPT 4 and is usually paid on ChatGPT, but here you are allowed to use it for free, and it also uses DALL-E. So this is for free on Microsoft Bing, but if you have to use it on ChatGPT Plus, you are going to pay. So if you don't have the paid version, you can just simply download your Microsoft Bing app and get down to work. Once I'm done with my prompt, I'll just click on enter and I'll wait for Microsoft Bing to generate my image. Just be patient for this to happen. You don't have to be in a hurry. You can see I'm just going to chill and allow it to do its thing. So it's doing its thing. I'm just going to, be patient for it. You can see it's rolling. It's trying to get me my beautiful avatar. And if you are watching up to this moment, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I like the images that it has generated for me, so I'm just going to click on the first one and it will take me to this pane where I can work or tweak my image. So once I get there, I especially want to make a YouTube video, so I do not like my image. I do not like the fact that my image came in square. I want it to be in landscape. So I'm just going to wait for my image to come. I'm going to click on this circle at the bottom of the image. Once I do that, it will simply take me to where I can convert my image from square to landscape, which is actually very, very, very cool. Then click on the circle at the bottom right of the image. Now you can change your image from square to landscape, as you can see, and this is one of the coolest feature of Microsoft Bing for me, because I do not have to use another app to change it to landscape outside of Microsoft Bing. So be patient for this to generate your image in landscape again. This is so nice if you ask me. And please, if you need the prompt for my image, just leave a message and I'll make it available for you guys. Once it's done, it looks good, so I'm just going to click on looks good and I like it. So the next thing is I'm going to click on the three dot at the top right hand corner. Then I'm going to click on download to download the image that I have generated, and the image will be in the download section of your gallery. The next step you need to do is go to Play Store and download the DubDub app. Click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, click on upload your photos and scroll to your gallery to upload the photos you downloaded from Bing. That is the avatar you downloaded from Bing. Once I do that, I'll wait for it to upload. Once it has uploaded on DubDub, I'll click on next. Once I click on next, click on add audio, and I want to use my voice, so I'm just going to record my voice. Alternatively, you can use DubDub's AI voiceover, or you can upload an audio file, or you can use the audio from a video, but I prefer to use my voice because people already know the voice behind this page, so it is safer to use my voice and it's more original like that. So once you're done, just make sure you record everything you want to say, you want your avatar to say for you in the video, then preview it. I prefer to preview it in order for me to make sure that there's no mistake, or I have not made any mistake in my audio. So make sure you preview it to the very end. Don't preview it halfway and stop. Preview it to the very end so that you have a smooth talking avatar. So once you're done previewing your audio, you click on done and it will upload your audio. Finally, do not forget to click on the make talking photo button. Once you click on it at the bottom, go ahead and process your talking avatar. Please do not forget to subscribe to this video. Be patient for it to process. Do not stop it midway. It will take up to 10 minutes. Be patient. Once it's done, it will tell you it is ready. Then click on the download arrow and then click on done and watch your talking photo download. Please do not forget to subscribe.